So for visualization of data, let us prepare some data. Uh, the this technique which I am going to discuss uh, can be some kind of repetitive for CS computer science or mathematical science participants, but the focus here is to make this concept understand to the participants which are from non-mathematical sciences background. So, for example, participants from history, participants from English, participants from other humanities and arts branch. So let me take an example of the present scenario, like COVID-19. Suppose there are people with uh, corona. They travel from one country to another. Now we suppose we prepare the data for that. For example, in the first column we write China, India, Russia, France, etc. And similarly, we can write here same set of data. We can also copy this. So suppose this is the data, then we can copy and we can paste it here. Okay, I again copy, paste, transpose. So suppose China to China, because it is the same country, so we are putting zero value here. Suppose from China to India there were 578 COVID infected people. So from India to India, we can saying it's zero. From Russia to India, suppose this is 87. France to India, suppose this is 92. And similarly, you can fill the other data. So from China to Russia, say this is 789. From India to Russia, suppose 67. And similarly, you can prepare the data. This can be the data can be for others, like for example his participant from history can say that number of wars between these countries. So China to China, we will put it zero. India to China, suppose we put it here 2 or 1. From India to Russia, we can put it 0. And similarly we can fill this data. uh, People from English can say that uh, the authors, collaborative work between authors, or some other they should think about some kind of data which we can put in this way. Let me use this full-fledged data. I filled this data for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries, and now we are going to use this data. So I hope you understood this data. This tells this data is about how many people with COVID-19 travel from one country to another. So we have put all these data. This is a fictitious data, so it's just for demo purpose. Now we will see how we can use this data to visualize uh, in UCNet.